Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you block or unblock someone on Pinterest. So let's start up the process. To start up the process, open up your Pinterest. Now here you can see many pictures on your home page. Tap on any picture. If you want to block this content creator, tap on profile icon of this creator. Now profile will be open. You can see three dots here. Tap on three dots to block this account. Now here you can see block option. Tap on this option to block this account. Tap on block option. Now you can see you block this account. If you want to unblock this account again, tap here. You can see unblock option at the bottom. Tap on this unblock option and you will unblock this account. So if you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.